The Malayan sun bear, a creature that many people have never seen, is often misunderstood and maligned. In Borneo, this bear is frequently labeled a monster, a title that has led to its brutal treatment at the hands of humans.
But why?
What is it about this small bear that stirs such anger and fear? Let's dive into the facts. The Malayan sun bear is the smallest bear species in the world, standing at about 4 feet tall when on its hind legs. With its short, sleek black fur and distinctive orange or white chest patch, it's actually quite adorable. Yet, in the shadows of superstition and folklore, it has been cast as a villain. Some people believe it to be a blood-sucking creature, akin to the legendary chupacabra, a myth that has haunted many cultures. This misconception is rooted in fear of the unknown. When we encounter something we don't understand, our instinct is often to demonize it. The truth is, the Malayan sun bear is a gentle creature, primarily feeding on fruits, insects, and honey. It plays a crucial role in its ecosystem, helping to disperse seeds and maintain the health of the forest. Yet, the narrative surrounding it is twisted by sensationalism and ignorance. When people hear stories of a monster, they react with anger and frustration, not realizing that they are perpetuating a cycle of violence against an innocent animal. This fear is compounded by the fact that the Malayan sun bear is increasingly threatened by habitat loss and poaching. As forests are cleared for palm oil plantations and other developments, these bears are losing their homes. In their desperation, they sometimes venture into human settlements, leading to conflict. Instead of understanding their plight, people often respond with hostility, viewing them as intruders rather than victims of circumstance. It's fascinating how myths can shape our perceptions. The chupacabra, a creature of folklore, is often described as a small, hairless dog-like being that preys on livestock. This image has seeped into popular culture, creating a narrative that casts shadows over real animals like the Malayan sun bear. When people hear the term monster, they envision something terrifying, something to be eradicated. But in reality, the Malayan sun bear is just trying to survive in a world that is rapidly changing around it. So, what can we do? Education is key. By spreading awareness about the true nature of the Malayan sun bear, we can combat the myths that fuel fear and violence. We need to replace the narrative of the monster with one of empathy and understanding. This bear is not a creature to be feared. It's a vital part of our planet's biodiversity, deserving of protection and respect. In the end, the Malayan sun bear is not a monster. It's a misunderstood animal, caught in the crossfire of human ignorance and fear. By shifting our perspective and embracing the truth, we can help ensure that this remarkable creature continues to roam the forests of Borneo, free from the stigma of being labeled a monster.